Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be putting down my last fertilizer of the year, which is going to be a Winterizer. And I'm very excited because I have a new product that I'm going to be using. Now for my front lawn, if you know, I did a total complete renovation to the front lawn and I haven't really put down any fertilizer to it. The only thing I did when I planted the grass was put down starter fertilizer, and that's about it. So guys, this is a Lawn Force 5 from Nature's Lawn. This is actually a lawn care kit in a bottle. It's packed with a lot of good stuff, guys. I mean, this thing is a fertilizer, aerator, dethatcher, bioactivator, and mycorrhizae. So Nature's Lawn ended up just combining their five best lawn care products into just this one bottle. This bottle has the Enhanced fertilizer, Aerified, Nature's Magic, and the biological dethatcher. So there's a lot of good stuff in this bottle. So guys, if you feel like you want to learn more about this product, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. Lawn Force 5 from Nature's Lawn. Let's go out there and start spraying this thing. Alright guys, so that's it. My last fertilizer for 2020. If you guys are interested in this product, I'm going to leave a link on the description down below. Again, thank you Nature's Lawn for sending me this product to try out. I really appreciate you guys. And also guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for the people that have. So I really appreciate you guys. And I'll see you on the next one.